Namaskar. Today we discuss about the oxidizing reaction of sulfuric acid. As we know, the formula of the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. First we decide that your sulfuric acid is a oxidizing agent or a reducing agent, or it can show its behavior as a oxidizing as well as reducing agent. How we decide it? Look, sulfur is present here. The oxidation state range of any element is n to n minus 8, that is belongs to n to n minus 8. N mean number of the electrons those are present in valence cell. In the sulfur that is present in the 16th group of periodic table, that is known as the chalcogens only, that is also known as the chalcogens. So present in the 16th period, that means your sulfur outermost cell have 6 electron, so the oxidation range is 6 to minus 2. It can show oxidation range 6 to minus 2. In this example, the oxidation state of sulfur is that is X. 2 hydrogens are present, and the oxidation state of the hydrogen, as we know, that is the plus 1. So plus 1, and 4 oxygens are there, minus 2. इन सबका सम कितना होगा? That is the 0. So X is equals to plus 6. X is equals to plus 6. और रेंज कितना है इसका? 6 to minus 2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट शो करता है. ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? दैट योर सल्फर इज प्रेजेंट इन द हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. इससे बड़ा अब इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट नहीं हो सकता है. इट कैन रिड्यूसेस. अब क्या होगा? ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करेगा, रिड्यूस हो सकता है. अगर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करके रिड्यूस हो रहा है, दैट इंडिकेट दैट योर H2SO4 इज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. H2SO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Its oxidizing nature is due to release of a nascent oxygen, that is visible in this example. Due to the release of this nascent oxygen, your H2SO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Let me understand some reactions in that your H2SO4 is acting as a oxidizing agent with help of few examples. Let me see some examples. जैसा कि पहले हम लोगों ने बताया था, नाइट्रिक एसिड की ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन हम लोगों ने डिस्कस करी थी. आवर फर्स्ट वर्क इज वी शुड राइट मास्टर रिएक्शन. दिस वन इज आवर मास्टर रिएक्शन. आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. व्हेन योर H2SO4 इज रिएक्ट विद द कार्बन, सो कार्बन इज रिएक्ट विद दिस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. क्या बनाएगा? ऑक्साइड बनाएगा. किस में चेंज होगा? दैट इज चेंज इन CO2. Balance this equation by 2. Now we multiply this equation by 2. Add 2 oxygen, cancel by 2 oxygen. Remaining is the C plus 2 H2SO4. This one is converted in CO2 plus twice H2O plus 2 SO2. Now we take another example. When your H2SO4 is react with sulfur, on that time what happen? H2O, SO2, and this one is our master reaction. Whenever your sulfur is react with H2SO4, nascent oxygen is react with that, and your sulfur is converts in SO2. To balance, first we balance this equation. 8 sulfur, 8 sulfur. Now 8 to the 16, so 16 nascent oxygen. दोनों रिएक्शन को अब हमें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. फॉर एडिशन वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस master reaction by 16. Now the 16 oxygen cancel by 16 oxygen. Remaining is the S8 plus 16 H2SO4, that is converts in 8 SO2 plus 16 H2O. This 8 SO2 plus this 16 and 8, 24 H2O. Total is the 24 SO2 and the 16 H2O. So this one is the balanced chemical equation when your H2SO4 is react with sulfur. Let me take a third example. When your H2SO4 react with metal like copper. H2SO4, this one is a master reaction, H2O plus SO2 plus nascent oxygen. Your copper react with this nascent oxygen and turns in copper oxide. Your copper oxide again react with H2SO4 and converts in copper sulfate by releasing H2O. Now add these reactions. When we add these reactions, this CO cancel by this CO, this nascent oxygen cancel by this nascent oxygen. So the remaining हम ऐड कर देना है कॉपर प्लस 2 H2SO4, that is converts in copper sulfate plus SO2 plus twice H2O. So these are the few examples that show your H2SO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. अगर ये मास्टर रिएक्शन हमें मेमोराइज है, ये मास्टर रिएक्शन हमें लिखना आता है, ये रीज़न हमें पता है कि स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्यों होता है, वी नॉट नीड टू मेमोराइज सच रिएक्शंस. With the help of this master reactions, we can easily write these reactions in our exams.